Welcome everyone, Fabio Lavelli here from PSET. In this video I'm gonna show you how PSET pneumatic positioners applied to carpentry can give great benefits in terms of speed and quality of work. Imagine to perform welding, smoothing or grinding on different particulars with multiple sides to work. To do all of this, you have to lose time to stop and unlock, reposition. You lose time to understand how to rotate the particular and grab it. But using the positioner P10S of PSET, all of this will no longer be a problem, as you will avoid all the previous maneuvers, saving time and working better. Here we are inside a mechanical carpentry. As you can see, the operator fixes the piece on the platform of the positioner by clamps or clamping pliers. So lock the piece, and once this is done, he is ready to start working. Using a pedal valve, unlock the platform and moves it in the most comfortable and ergonomic position for working. Releases the pedal and the platform stays still in position. All this, as you can see, in a few seconds, and with a simple act without losing time in other maneuvers. Do you want to change side? Quickly the operator press the pedal valve, move the platforms to the new position and continues with the processes. So simple. As you can imagine, the applications are multiple. You can also use magnetic locks to anchor the parts on the platform if you want to make the fastening even faster, such as with this carter. The pieces is fixed in a few seconds, allowing you to quickly start working. The use of these devices guarantees speed, easy execution and versatility. You can switch process in a few seconds. As now you change from welding to grinding. It allows the pieces turn, rotate, tilt and the maximum speed in total freedom. PSET offers you the solution to all of these types of manual processing. With the functions of its positioners, you can keep the pieces to be worked in the best position. You can get changes of position very fast, saving 95% of time. And you can also support workers to reach every position in perfect working ergonomics. You can obtain all of these benefits with P10S by PSET. Visit our website p-set.com. PSET, change your perspective.